Hey y'all, we are back and today we're making honey bunches of oats. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In one large mixing bowl, you want to have 1 cup of cornflakes and 1 cup of dried quick oats. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate mixture with 1/4 cup of water, then to that 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and finally honey to taste. I like to add a lot. Stir well, stir really well. Add in a pinch of cinnamon to your dry mix. I used about a teaspoon. Then you want to stir it really well so that the cinnamon gets all throughout the entire mix. Then add in your wet mix and stir very well. Make sure every kind of cornflake and oat is covered with your wet mixture. I like to add in coconut shreds. Usually there's almonds and honey bunches of oats, but we like cashews. So go ahead and crush up some cashews. Don't crush too finely, you still want some crunchy texture. As you're preheating your oven to 350 degrees, go ahead and spread your entire mixture out onto a baking sheet. Making sure you spread everything evenly, everything into the little corners. Just spread it out as evenly as possible. Sprinkle brown sugar all throughout your mixture. I really like the sweetness of brown sugar, so I'm putting it in there. Pop it in the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure halfway through you actually stir one more time to ensure no burnt pieces kind of happen. This was our second time actually making this, and we ended up making over 2.5 pounds using just 1 box of store-bought cornflakes and about 4 cups of oats. Add your favorite kind of milk to it and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more.